Hello viewers, thought I'd do a little bit of an unboxing today. I was sitting outside having a couple of beers and I've just gotten this little bit of an unboxing. It's a battery operated Ratchet and it's called JustFit. Looks okay, feels good in the hand and all that. In the kit you get 2 batteries, and a charger, and some lovely sockets, and obviously the instruction book. There you go. Yeah, it looks quite well made. Doesn't look too bad. I suppose the proof's in the pudding, in it, sort of thing. So we'll get a battery and we'll put that in and see what it's like. You've got an on and off switch here. On. Oh. Looks quite good. And you've got the reverse, which changes the speed. Quite good actually. I thought it would have been rubbish, but it's good value for like sort of it was £34, 30 something like that, 34. Not bad at all. Oh, yeah, you get a 12, 14, 16 and an 11, 13 and a 15 size socket. You get 2 batteries, charger, and that's what you get with all the sockets. I'll be giving this a little bit of a test in a couple of days time, probably tomorrow actually. I'll tell you how I get on with it. So if you don't mind, if you can subscribe and press on the thumbs up, and we'll get some more of these stuff and from eBay and all that, and we'll give them a good review for you. I'm not only going to just sort of review it out of the box, I'm going to use it over a period of months and tell you if it's worth it or not. But so far it's good in your hand, good to handle. It feels well made, you got light indicators and stuff like that. We're getting 2 batteries for 34 quid. It seems okay, canny little bargain, but like I say, we'll use it and see what it's like, and I'll get back to you. So keep in touch everybody. See you later. Bye.